Hello, viewers. Of the many eminent personalities and families that have taken the Bengali community into the realm of the international exposure, the Tagore family would be at the forefront. Personalities like Kaviguru Rabindranath Tagore, the internationally renowned Nobel literature poet, and Abanindranath Tagore, the famous painter and child literature, belong to the influential family. With over 300 years of illustrious history, this family has been widely considered to be leading force in the Bengal Renaissance. And like every community whose origin is deeply rooted in the history, culture, and past, the Bengalis have been instrumentally acting in preserving the intellectual heritage of the Tagore family since the last many years. But the effort come with a catch in preserving the legacy of the Tagore lineage. We have only considered the intellectual properties to be worthily, worthy of conversation, while the literary and artist contribution of the family has been stored, preserved, and woodly worked upon. We has we as a responsible society have completely forgotten to pay any attention to the legally heritage that the Tagore have left behind, the heritage that is built, that stand the test of time, that can be walked upon, lived in, touched with bare hand and felt. It's the building of the Tagore Gharana that we are talking about here, the built heritage that people have so comfortably ignored for the last many years till date. Of the handful structures that bear the stamp of being the Tagore establishment, only the Jodasako Thakurbari is a woodly known and revered, while the few others have slipped down the lost pages of history. Apart from the monumentally Jodasako, three are quite a few buildings belong to this illustrious family, the Uttaragotta Tagore Castle and Ramanath Tagore Kolkata residence being two of them. However, the future will deal with another of the important establishments of the family that has been long forgotten and is threatened by the real estate and construction industry of late, the garden house of Rabindranath Tagore, Konnagar. Thank